And I chose to go with ignore the noise of the naysayers. I feel like that is one to better set the tone for the episode simply because it don't matter what people over here or people over there or people behind you are saying behind your back or to other people about you. That, you feel me? Never breathe life or energy into negativity because we're all aware that misery loves company. People don't know how to function. Some people don't know how to function in life without a little bit of negativity going on. Or like some people got to wake up, find somebody to fuck with, brush that negative energy off onto them, fuck up their day or their morning in order to have a productive day. If people ain't trying to build you up to make you better or to assist you into being great, none of the things that they say matter. You feel me? People try to live through other people because they fucked up in their life. You fucked up where you fucked up at.